For the Bitcoin, we can see that the price has dropped down this week. The price has made a breakout to the downside. The previous week has ended here. You can see it here. Now we have formed here 5 candles, and today a candle is still more active. We can see that the price has made breakout on Monday and Tuesday. We can see it here, turning it back up and then making down, stretching all down to here where the demand zone is. Then the price stopped here, and then we can see it is between support and resistance level. So the price has made the breakout to the downside, going outside of this uptrend channel. Now let's see on the weekly how this looks. This looks on the weekly like this. After the price has made a breakout to the upside, we can see the price return back down, making this confirmation as a false one, and we will see how this week ends, because we have today and tomorrow until this week ends. So it will be very important level if the price goes below this one, 26801, to see how this ends. Now let's go to the monthly and see how this looks. It looks that the price has made a breakout to the downside, making a confirmation of this bearish breakout, and then it is currently inside indecision area where the price needs will continue up or fall down. Based on this one, there is a possibility that the price will end this month into bearish, but we have 2 more weeks until this month ends, so we need to see how this looks. On the weekly time frame, it's very important to see where the price will end this week. Will it end below this one, 26801? It will be a trigger for the price. Will it continue to move down up to here, 2600 price level, or it will try to make a breakout again to the upside, reaching this area around this one here. So it's very important for the price. We can see that the price is below this resistance, and it is very close to this support uptrend channel. Until we see the price making a breakout around these price levels, we need to wait, and that is much more clearly visible on the daily time frame. So very important level for the price to return back up is this one, 2748 price level, and below that is very important to see the price below that, 26700 price level. Until the price makes a breakout to the upside or the downside, it is much better to stay outside. But as it looks right now, the price has gone outside of this uptrend channel, which is a bullish one, and then there is a possibility that the price will find a great support around this one. It is 26200 price level. So everything looks like a little slightly bearish for me, but we need to see how this market ends. Until the price makes a breakout of this support or this resistance, we need to see what is the strength of this Bitcoin currently. Let's go to the Ethereum against US dollar. We can see that the price has dropped significantly in this week. We have here a bearish breakout. I have mentioned in the previous week analysis there is a possibility that the price will make a breakout to the downside, but we needed to see a confirmation, and we can see that the price is make a breakout here, and it has to reach at this confluence of support just here at 1531. The price is bouncing slightly, but the bounce was not so strong, so there is a signal that there is not strong bullish momentum waiting around this price level. Now if you go to the weekly time frame, we can see that the price has gone below. Now the price has made a breakout to the downside. We can see it here, a very important level. If this week ends below that, it will be a signal that the price is in bearish mode again. It is continue this bearish momentum. So very important level for the price on the weekly is this one here, 1586, and below that is this one here, 1508. Very important because this is a confluence of support on the monthly, on the weekly time frame. Now if we go to the monthly, we can see that this month is still look bearish, but we have 2 more weeks until this month ends. So if the price goes below that, which means below these critical levels, 1510, the month will be a bearish one, which we will suggest that the price will continue to fall down around 1315. Until this breakout happens on the lower side, we need to see, but on the upper side, 1681 is very important level for the monthly time frame. We have 2 more weeks, so we need to see how the market will go. So very important level for the weekly is this one, 1672, and also below that is this one here, 1508. So I'm expecting that the price will continue to fall down as it looks right here around this area, which is a confluence of support, and then we'll see, will the price make a breakout to the downside. If it makes, we need to see confirmation to see the price dropping even more down around this 1274. We can see it here, but for that we have a daily time frame to see how the market looks. Just a minute, let's make this like this. We can see that on the daily time frame, very important level is this one, because we have a confluence of support, and it will be very important for the price to see will it close below that and then making a reverse, confirming this breakout to the downside. Until that happens, we need to wait, but on the upper side the price needs to return back up above this supply zone to see again the price trying to reach higher price level. But as it looks right now, this doesn't look very good. It looks bearish to me, but I need to see confirmation of the breakout to the downside to see price going below that around 1.4 price level, and it is here visible that the next support is 1382, very close to 1351 weekly and also monthly support price level. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading.